Hi, I'm Jody with Earth's Classroom, and today's video is to highlight this year's juniors and seniors that completed the FSCE certification with Earth's Classroom. Field Science Career Experience. It's a 90-hour certification. We want to celebrate them. We're also going to be working with a few more later this summer on the Black River. Looking forward to that. But want to send out a couple really important thank yous. One is for our professionals that came and visited and worked in the field with our students. DNR professional Eric Otto and MDC professional Kara Coates. Also want to do a huge heartfelt thank you to the sponsors that made this completely free for the juniors and seniors in our region. The UCC Women's Retreat out of Union, Missouri, the Lions Club from both Owensville and Union, Missouri, Stream Teams United, the Miramagua Stream Team chapter, the Quails Forever chapter from Washington, Missouri, and also Olivia Haddocks, a past student that sponsored students, as well as all the Burbus Bluebell racers who come and race in our annual race. They help sponsor more students to do this program for free. So thank you all, and please enjoy.
You want about 90-degree elbow. All right. And kayak paddlers will sometimes get way too wide a grip.
Underneath this nice shelter.
The canoe's going here.
Oh, never mind. No one can stay.
Taylor can give me a
You can sleep in the canoe.
next time. I've been on the river too long. I thought we were about timber.
I think my hat's gonna get wet tonight.
I kind of got into NBC, that's where I worked, Department of Conservation. And get close and further. Oh, this guy's alive. Get that guy. This guy? No? He's not alive. Never mind.
You did?
No. They can be mixed. Okay.
And he eats all of those macroinvertebrates we were looking at earlier.
Compared to the other type that's really common.
It's
Is it on?
recording.
It's recording. All right, here we go.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Heck yeah, Bill. Heck yeah. I love you, Bill.
I love you too, Bill. Now commit, just go. Yeah! Cooper! Nice.